Hi, Beanbeautis, Dee Bean here. How you doing today? Welcome back for our hashtag Pink for DJ King. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I have another goodie. So this shouldn't be too long of a video. I hope y'all are enjoying this. If you are, please like and subscribe. Leave me a comment. Let me know if this is anything that you have currently in your collection. Let me know how I'm doing. If there's anything else that I could be doing to helping y'all out, I greatly appreciate it. All right, so we have something from It's Hadrian that I'm gonna unbox, and I actually don't know when it came, when I purchased it, because it's been in a while, and it was in a box with several other things, and I had already opened those up, and so this was left behind. So because it was special for this occasion. All right, if you're ready to see what this is, come on back in a second. Okay, so welcome back. Thank y'all very much for coming back and visiting with me, and I hope that y'all are doing well, and I hope this video finds y'all in much better health than you were in the last time that we met up. Alrighty, so let's just get right to it, because I know y'all have things to do. This is a Henry Bendel. I think I said in my intro that it was a Dooney. It's not a Dooney, it's a Henry Bendel. Are y'all familiar with Henry Bendel? I didn't know anything about Henry Bendel until a few months ago, maybe 3-4 months ago, because the content creator Frozen Luxury, his name is Saya, he's the one who's introduced me and several other content creators to them. They closed down apparently several years ago, and he used to work there. Loves Henry Bendel, and he was talking to us about it, and so I just had to go in search of him. So I'm going to unbox this one, and then I'm going to reveal another one for y'all. It's Hadrian gives us little stickers all the time. Look at that. Yay! And this is how he packages it up. His assistant Badrian, he is the one who does the packaging for us, and he does a fantastic job. I brag about him all the time. So this is definitely a pink item. It's definitely a pink item. I know I'm experimenting a little bit with my makeup, trying to do a little bit more pink for y'all. And I might look like a little Barbie. I'm not sure. The lipstick was a little bright. I've had like probably 3 different lipsticks on. I was like, no. Alrighty. Look. It's beautiful just through this. I forgot. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh wow. Well, actually my lipstick probably matches pretty good. My lipstick matches really good. Okay, so here is the front. Here is the side. Here is the back. Here is the other side. Here is the bottom. Here is the top. And there's a snap. And then here is the strap that goes with it. So this one was called Henry Bendel Purple Pink Leather Bucket Bag with gold hardware and metallic rose gold interior. Oh, look what we have to look forward to, the rose gold interior. It was $75. So let's see. Wow. Let's take out the stuffing. We'll put it right here, and I'll show y'all the inside, and then we'll put the strap on. So here is the inside. Henry Bendel was famous for these stripes, and they are actually supposed to be like, they were famous for the brown and white, and this is there. It has that, which that is what forms the pocket in here. And does it snap? So here is the inside of it. I am gonna have fun with this one. Gorgeous. And let's see, is this a, oh look, that's a pocket. It's snapped right there. And that's a pocket. Awesome. Here is my, whoa, here is my phone case. Fits perfect. Fits perfect. Oh great. Have two places on the outside for my pocket. Love this one. This is definitely staying in my collection. It is not going to leave my collection. Let's see if it fits. There's this inside pocket right there. Let's see if it fits. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Fits in there. Gorgeous, isn't it? Okay, so here, right here is the branding right there. It says Henry Bendo, New York, and it's right there. This is really cool. Oh, wow, wow, wow. Look, y'all. Look at this strap. Okay, so I wanted to show y'all the belt up close. It has these perforations, and I can actually see through them. They look like they're teeny tiny holes. And that's just kind of a neat feature, very neat feature. It also looks like you can hang a charm from there. Maybe a charm from that. From here, here's another one. I'm guessing that's what it's for. So let's put this on the bag right here. And let's put it over on here. I'm gonna put it, so here, let's see. Actually, oh, it's actually almost fitting. Let me see. Where does it fall? Okay. Right, let me make this a little bit bigger. Oh wow, the leather seems to be stuck in place. It hasn't been moved in years. Okay, there we go. All right, I finally was able to move it. Okay, there we go. Take that out. All right, we're gonna go down. I'm gonna go a little bit further down than I think this is gonna be too far, but it's all right. And then we can bring this back up. Clap it. I like when they do that. Then you don't have the flappy ends. Okay. So we can put it here. Yay! Look at that. Perfect. Kind of blends. I probably definitely need to wear a different kind. Let's push you a little far back. Okay. It blends too much with my pink. I thought it'd be like a little bit different, but it blends too much. Let me see what we can put there. Okay, let's just add more pink on pink. How does that look? There's that little charm there. Style it with that. Not sure if I like that there. Let's do a change of color maybe. Yeah, how about that? Maybe it wouldn't look so stark if it wasn't on here. What else could I use? I have this hot pink dragon fruit color. Let's see how that looks on here. Although it's silver hardware, that one's gold hardware. I like the pink on pink. I thought the silver should be fine. Yeah, I can handle that. That's cute. That's cute. Okay. Oh, wow. We'll put that there for now. Let's stuff the bag back up so you can see it in its glory. And the snap works very well as well too. Look at that. I like that. Definitely like that. Let's see. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Love this bag. It's a Henry Bendo. Alrighty, so I promised you this was going to be what we were unboxing. Let me show you. Oh, look what I found. There's also a clip here. You could put something here. There's just all kinds of little thingamabobs here. Okay, I like that. I like that. Definitely like that. Oh, and look, I'm just finding more and more. There's a pocket here on the side. And there's also a pocket here on the side. I'm glad I didn't abandon this one yet. There's so many that you've got 4 outside pockets. Very cool. There it is when you're closing it up. That's what it looks like. We have it kind of stuffed. I was trying to see. I could probably change the shape. If you buckled it together, though, that would be kind of a pain in the butt. That'd be kind of a pain, but you could change the shape if we can clip it together there. Like that. Very cool. Okay, let me show the other Henry bundle I have, and we'll be right back. Okay, this is a little bit different of a pink. Well, at least I thought it was pink. It looks red against this one. It is pink. It's a beautiful bag. Very soft leather. It's got a pocket back here. The leather itself is soft, but it's a structured bag. It's a structured bag. Here's what it looks like on the inside. This particular bag I got off of the Real several months ago. It came with its own dust bag. Whoa! And this is what it looks like inside. This particular one has the little bow there. See? It's just a cute bag, and then you can adjust this into 3 settings. So if you have a little bit more items or a little bit bigger items, you can do that. You can carry this as a top handle, or we do have a strap to go with it. So I just wanted to show you, in case you're not familiar with Henry Bendel, I wanted to show you 2 bags from Henry Bendel. They're both pink, just different variations of pink. Alrighty, Bean Beauties, thank you so much. I'm glad that I could show these to you, and let me know if you're familiar with Henry Bendel, if you live in an area where they had Henry Bendel, if you ever shopped there. I would love to hear about that, because the stores, the pictures that I have seen are gorgeous, gorgeous pictures. So I'm so sad that I missed that era. If you are new to my channel, welcome, 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 welcome. If you are so inclined to, you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button, give me a comment below, let me know how you're doing, and I will gladly like to respond to your comments. I do have some merchandise that I'm selling that have the Beanbeauti logo on it. This is a purse hook. Please check my description box, and like I said, you can reach me through my email or through Instagram. Let's set that aside so I don't drop it. Alrighty, Bean Beauties, thank you so much for coming, and enjoy, and thank you so much, DJ King, for hosting this hashtag again for the year, and I hope that I'm doing it justice this year, since I'm a little bit more prepared. Alrighty, Bean Beauties, know that I am thinking about you and praying for you always throughout the entire year, and especially this month, that we just pay a little bit special attention to the matter at hand. Because I have personally been affected by the cancer. My mother passed away from abdominal cancer, and my father-in-law passed away from lung cancer, probably within shortly, was like maybe within five years of each other, something like that. So it was pretty rough time. You barely had enough time to get over one, and then we were having to deal with another one. So we know how rough it is for you, and we are praying for you. And I say we, I say me, and my prayer circle, family, friends who have all of y'all on the list. Alrighty, Bean Beauties, love y'all. Bye.